everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Melanie and I do food hauls predominantly. It's a really hot day today. I don't really have any food type, well I do have a couple of food type items but no real food. I'm going to show you what I've got. I've been to Asda, got 2 caramel macchiatos, they're still £1. Got this to have because it's really hot today. And I try not to buy drinks that I already have at home, so I don't have that, so I got it. Got this for my car. I've never tried these before. They had 3 cents and they were free for £5, but because I didn't know if it was any good or how long it would last, I just didn't know if I should get 3. They had 2 other scents, like I said, and there was an ocean one which I typically would have got, but for some reason I got open sky. If it's any good, I'll probably go and get 3 more, because you don't save a mass amount, but why not? I've never tried the Fibre One popcorn bars. I've tried everything else. These were on offer for £1, so I got them. Some pine nuts. I got this water bottle by Systema. I keep taking normal bottles of water out and then end up with loads in my car and I don't know which one's the most recent ones, and then they end up getting wasted because I don't want to have something that I've had open a long time. So this is going to be the bottle that I take out with me, so then I don't end up with tons of bottles in my car like I do now. I keep seeing this for some reason. I was drawn to it today and I picked it up. It was £2. I got some Lotus Biscoff because I've been making a banoffee pie recipe from Pinch of Nom, a healthy version, and I did have a big pack, a double this size from B&M, which was the same price, but I have to do with these. 2 Pepsi Max cherries. Got one of these the other day and it's gorgeous. And I got Vico liquid. I didn't Vico liquid. Didn't know they did this. I know they did the spray, and this is on offer for £2, so got that as well. And that's everything I picked up from Asda today. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell notification button. And I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you for watching.